Welcome to Ryan Campbell. Welcome to Ryan Campbell Soup to Nuts. This is what you're getting. After all that crap. So on today's I'm cleaning up the working on the 350Z, cleaning up the plastics, the hood cowl plastics, and the brake and battery covers. Cleaning them up, and also getting all the headlight bucket and all that bracketry and stuff like that. Throw them back on the car. Got finished painting it up, and then throwing it back in the car. So let's do this, okay? You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell Soup to Nuts. So, here we are. This is what we're doing today. Alright, so first I'm going to start on the plastics. I'm going to show you what they look like before. I'm going to wash them, clean them, like, you know, car soap and water type of crap and a brush. Clean them up, just get all the dirt. They're pretty dirty, get all the dirt off. Then I have some stuff here that I'll show you again later on. Solution finish. It's supposed to be a black trim restore. So we'll see. I'll see how that goes. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. And then get some bracketry and some metal thrown back on the car. Get a couple things back together. So without further ado, I bring to you some actual progress of the car. Here we go. Alright, we got the plastics here that I'm going to clean up. We got a carpal tunnel. This is around the batteries, around the brake area, that's the cowl. So, this is kind of this is before. I cleaned nothing. This is how it came off the car, the condition it's in. It just needs some cleaning and freshening up. It's in pretty good condition, it's just, you know, got some sun damage a little bit there, so needs a little clean up. I don't know if you can see it, but I got the, you saw me clean up the plastics in the time lapse. I got it back here. I'm going to set it up kind of where I'm standing right now, and I'm going to use, where is it? This stuff. I've never used it before. Let's see if it'll focus for me. I'm on camera. There we go. So I'm going to use this stuff here, Solution Finish. Black trim restorer. I've never used this crap before, but I hear a lot of good things. Yeah, boy, I hear some good things about this shit. I did this stuff, you know. I'm trying to avoid the more I curse, the more I gotta bleep out ish, and that takes me longer to edit the video and get the video together because I have a potty mouth. I'm not safe around people that are offended or bothered by Good old trucker's mouth. I got the trucker's mouth disease. So I'm gonna use this crap, and I'm gonna set up here and do a little time lapse. Basically, I guess I'm just following the directions. Never done it before, so we'll see what the hell happens. But one thing, apparently, you have to be very careful about getting this on paint or glass or any other kind of surface that you don't want to have this on, because apparently it stains stuff, and so you got to be careful. Obviously, it's not even on the car, so I don't have to worry about taping stuff off. But if you're doing like trim on the car, make sure you tape everything off. Use painter's tape and all that crap. Definitely wear gloves. I'm gonna put gloves on. I'm gonna move the plastic, put gloves on, and then use this stuff and use some new microfiber towels for this. So I'm gonna use one towel to applicate the stuff. That's not really the technical term, but I'm gonna use one for application. I'm gonna use one to wipe off excess crap. So we're gonna do that right Get them little plastic pieces all cleaned up and shiny. Got them shiny. I'll give you a close up here. So this is the Cal plastics, as you can see. That's where windshield wiper goes. Windshield wiper goes is like, the windshield will be kind of here where that plastic is. That's like the passenger side, the driver's side. But you can see they cleaned up pretty goddamn well. I'm pretty happy. The stuff worked pretty well. It wasn't too messy either. There's a brake fluid cover. That's the battery cover. And these two pieces, the plastics were I think this is the brake fluid. This is where the brake fluid cover pops onto, and that's where the battery cover pops onto. I'm pretty sure. So, as you can see, they cleaned up pretty well. I'm pretty happy. Next thing, we're gonna put the headlight buckets and some brackets and crap back in. I'll do some time lapse for ya. Yeah. This is SOUPEDTONUTS approved. So we got the headlight buckets back on, and the bracketry attaches to it, and a couple other little brackets I'll show you right now. So this is the driver's side headlight bucket. This is the bumper support alignment bracket, whatever the hell you want to call it. This bracket here, if you can get a better look underneath. It's this guy here. This bracket here, put on, I guess it's some kind of a stabilizer type of thing. Same thing on the other side. Got the passenger headlight bucket. Got this bracket put on. So I got that all attached up. I didn't put the passenger side bumper support thing on. I think it was in the way when I test fitted that bumper, if I'm remembering correctly. But got this. This is what the hell is this for? It's just a board for something. Something slides in there. I don't remember. There's too much crap going on for me to remember all this crap. So, but I got this bolted back on, this bracket, and then this bracket here that I'm probably gonna end up taking off anyway, because these are fuel lines, and I have different fuel lines I'm gonna be putting on here. So. But it's there for now. I'm probably gonna be taking it off though. That's all the brackets. You saw me clean up all the plastic. You saw me wash it. You saw me use the solution finish crapola. Solution finish. Hopefully it'll focus. You can kind of see the solution finish. I'll link this in the description down below. So you saw me do that, got it all cleaned up. It looks fantastic. Almost brand new. Not quite brand new, but almost brand new. Love it. Love it. I'll find out later on down the road how long it holds up, how long it protects it for, and keeps it clean looking, all that. Hopefully it gives me a little bit. I don't mind doing it every once in a while, but I'm not trying to do that constantly to keep it up. But I'm optimistic about this one. I'm optimistic. I did use new hardware, stainless steel hardware, for putting all the brackets and everything back on. So next you're going to see, I already actually got started, the rear diff situation. I took a whole, not just the rear diff, but I took a whole bunch of, I said this in another video too, I'm saying it again, I don't give a I don't care anymore. I don't give a tree rat's. I said it. Yeah, that's right. But I got the rear diff out. I'm redoing the rear diff. I'm not. Oh, the diff itself. It's a Quafey diff. Quafey. I don't know. Quafey diff. I'm not touching the actual in the guts of it. But I did coat the housing. Clean that up. I am putting the Z1 rear diff cover on. I still have to cut out the rear bushing. The two mounts that screw up from underneath I already have replaced. But the rear diff brace mount, whatever the hell you want to call it, I have to cut that out. The stock one, I have to cut it out. I already have the new one, I have to put it in. So, but it's that video is in the process. That's what's coming. There's some rear diff action and a bunch of brackets and other crap that I coated and took care of under the back too. So that's coming up shortly for ya. For your viewing pleasure. I'm here for your viewing pleasure. That's what I'm here for, to pleasure your view. That's why I got a haircut. I got a haircut for you today. My boy Doug hooked it up. Alright, so, this is what's going on in this side of town. Yeah. Professional on a closed course, do not try this at home. That's what we got coming up next. Don't forget to follow me down here on the good old YouTube. Give me a follow, give me a like, comment, all that crap. I'll comment back. We can have a friendly, nice discussion. I don't even care if it's not friendly. Tell me that you hate me. Tell me I suck. I'm horrible. I'm the worst human being ever. I don't care. It doesn't bother me whatsoever. But give me a like, comment, follow me, please. Por favor. Even if you hate me, follow me, por favor. And check me out on TikTok, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, LinkedIn as well. Everything is SOUPEDTONUTS, and the links and or the description. Some things I can't link to because this is on the computer. And I mean, you might be watching on your mobile device, but like I upload everything and like actually put the video on the computer. So I don't do the links on my phone. This isn't on my phone. Not on my phone. Anyway, follow me at those places. It's down in the description. Check me out there. Check me out on TikTok. It's going pretty good. And there is some funnies. There's a bunch of funnies